reporting from the Mass Challenge in Boston, Mass. And I'm here with David Chen, Chief Technology Officer, co-founder of Roof42, a returning, you're not the returning guest, but Roof42 has been on MYOB before.
Yep, I think so.
Do you want to tell our listeners what Roof42 does again?
So what we're about is we're trying to make two-wheeler travel more comfortable and efficient for riders in India who have to brave soaking monsoon rains, the beating summer sun, and bitter winter cold.
Right.
And so we're trying to do that with a product that we're trying to release. It's a lightweight, collapsible, and affordable canopy that you can mount on your motorcycle while you're riding.
Can you get us a picture so we can put it on our website and on our Facebook pages? We'd like to get that. And when you join it, you can just send it up yourself, I guess.
Yeah.
Put a picture, and then we'll push like.
It's hard to visualize, but
well, it was hard to visualize last time I was here, but I remember in the discussions, this is a very important product. Do you want to explain why?
Well, the market and the amount of people that depend on motorcycles in India is huge. So when you compare the landscape in the United States versus India, you look at your parking lot, replace the number of cars there with 3 times as many motorcycles.
Or 5 times or 10
5 times, exactly. Right. That's how many people depend on two-wheelers to get to and from work. And so a lot of commerce depends on it. And what happens is in monsoons, people have to wait under overpasses, and that delays a lot of commute. So then it trickles down into businesses and ultimately, commerce.
So